Often during my research, I would find myself wondering who the real Freemasons are, and how much is really a coincidence in life, and how much is on purpose. It will be the things in the background and places that are familiar, little hints here and there, left by our forefathers for the purpose of being deciphered by those with understanding. The problem is the secret society structure of the past was taken over by wicked devils, very wicked people. And I often wonder why people see the world as something that they can take advantage of, instead of a place that they can bring true meaning. And I also wonder why God's work is being done by very few people, such as myself, and why they're cracking down on me in the name of liberty. I wonder who the real Americans are. And when I think about what it means to be an American, what it means to be an Igbo with Freemasons in my family, it means that I think like them, no matter how you look at it. Whether it is nature or nurture, one would be very foolish to think that I have